In 1611, a royal commission in Jacobean England spent 4 months trying to rename Tuesday as Other Monday. The proposal failed when someone pointed out it would also require renaming Wednesday. The room went quiet. The year is 1611. The kingdom is, by most accounts, functioning. A royal commission is nevertheless convened with a single mandate: to address what the founding parchment describes as the troublesome arithmetic of the working week. The rationale is recorded in careful ink. 2 Mondays, the commission argues, would give the week a more orderly arithmetic. The commission sits. The candles are lit. 3 bewigged commissioners are appointed. The Stationers' Guild objects almost immediately on grounds of printing inconvenience. Every calendar, almanac, and parish ledger in England would require resetting. The Bishop of Stockport-on-the-Marsh, in a letter held in the archives, expresses support for the proposal in principle. A draft proclamation is prepared. A royal seal is pressed into red wax. A small dog, according to the minutes, is present under the table throughout. For 4 months, the proposal travels through 3 subcommittees. Wax seals are applied. Calendars are redrawn. Engravers are placed on standby. The kingdom briefly believes that Tuesday will, in due course, end. A second drafting session is scheduled. A third is added. The bishop reiterates his support, in principle. September 1611. The commission convenes for its final reading. A junior clerk, name unrecorded, raises one hand. He observes, with respect, that renaming Tuesday as Other Monday would also require renaming Wednesday as Other Monday. The room, by all surviving accounts, goes quiet. The proposal was tabled. The committee adjourned. The names were not changed. The clerk was not promoted. The Bishop of Stockport-on-the-Marsh continued to support the idea in principle until his death in 1618. The original parchment is held by the British Library and is, the catalogue notes, not available for public viewing on account of its embarrassment.